Here's a perfect example of why the wet PTC heater in the earliest ZE Noughts from 2010, some were still sold up until about 2013. A good example of why it's so inefficient. Here on a startup, we're showing, what have we got here? Best part of 4 kilowatts of power draw from the battery, bearing in mind that when new it only had 24 to start with anyway. That's why it's also showing that if I was to turn it off, I'd gain 27 kilometers of range, which is a massive proportion of the total range that's actually available. So yeah, I've got aftermarket seat heaters that just plug into the cigarette lighter here, and it means that I can actually turn the heater way down. But I thought this would be a very good demonstration of just how poor the efficiency is on these earlier heaters. Keeps me warm though.